Just feel it pumping, listen to the motherfucking blood. Don't say shit, boy, cause you about to get hung. I'm coming with them fucking clips. Don't say shit, cause you about to get it hit. Get hit with these fucking legs, get up. Don't say nothing, bitch, shut the fuck up. Get your bitch on my dick, she slobbing me down. Guess what, next time, I'm looking like a clown. You got a frown on your face, don't say it quick. Got the big mace, boy, about to hit it, spit. Hurry up and spit it, let me come back. I'm rolling so fat, motherfucker, I'm back. Tick-tock, petty whack, give a dog a bone. All these hoes come rumbling home, cause I got the best kush on deck. Call my nigga Lonnie. Don't say shit, cause he called hella honey. Got fucking hella stacks. Don't say shit, cause nigga coming back. I'm coming back so quick, yes, that's me. Don't say shit to me, cause I'm a MC. You's a fucking little bitch, yeah, that's right. Don't say shit to Tyler, cause I do it all night. About to put a big stack out on you hoes. Don't say shit, cause I got area codes. Got bitch in every different city. Can't touch me, cause I'm looking pretty. Going acapella off of the dome. Don't say shit, nigga, cause I'm looking like chromosome 6th grade. And yes, I'm fucking strapped. Let me end this shit with a fuck you.
Pay me,
I don't know, he's
bitch.
crazy. He's like 30 years old. I went over there. He's like,
Hey, Paco.
bring me a shovel. And I was like,